Hello, my name is Carlos Palacio. I have 41 years old. I am married with Sandra Gomez. I have two sons. I am from Bogota, Colombia. My profession is typographer. I am working in Catastro Distrital. I am studying environmental engineering in the SEAD Jose Acevedo y Gomez. I like practice sports, soccer, chess, volleyball, some activities with my family, cook and travel. A couple of years ago, I had the opportunity to know the Universal Studio Parks in Orlando, Florida. For 2 days, we toured all the children's realms attraction with my family. I thought it's true that they are long and excruciating days. The experience live in and some. We had excellent diets that facilitated the tours and the long lines. This is my family. This picture is my sister house in the Palm Beach, USA. She's my sister Nanny and his husband John. She's Manuela, she's Sophie, she's Isabella. My son Juan David, my brother John, my sister Vivi, my mom, and me. Left picture is the family in Universal Log Park. In the right picture, we are in the city of the Harry Potter with my brother and mom. The left picture, we can see my son and my mother eating in the restaurant of the Harry Potter. In the other moment, I eating baked chicken. In this moment, our family are in the Popeye's attraction, so excited. This is my favorite pictures, but all the family enjoy the final of the day with Jurassic Park attraction. Thanks for your watch. See you later.